Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Friday to you. Another day in the market. She is get a day to the Bears today, pulling on back. Lost some of the games from yesterday. That's why I say I don't believe in that little dead cat bounce we had. That little 1 to 2 green days. Still got those tariffs on the line and inflation still sticking. But see what's gonna happen, man. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. Watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Get through this trade today and get to the weekend. Portfolio value at $141,881.08, down $644. Buying power $174,247. Well, $248 to round it off. I know I know times are bad when my account is under the at 142 and under. That's how I know it's a big um a pullback going on, but it's all good. Like I say, man, I look at 2025 as a side eye year. You know, just looking at it with the side eye, I don't think you're gonna see nothing big in 2025. I think probably about 2027 gonna be some, especially with the EVs, and by the time they do the interest rate cuts for 2025 and get 2026 through, you'll see some kind of change by 2027. I'm side eyeing 2025, accumulating 2026. We're gonna see what happens. You know, head might be up a little bit, but I don't expect much from that either, to be honest. I don't expect from the real turn of 2027. That is my personal opinion. Let's get to it. Give ourselves a raise. Got some weekly dividends to buy. Before I start it off, let me give y'all some growth stocks I don't have in this one. Ticker DEO, DRGO, got down to $106.44. Make sure y'all go get SCHG. That's the Charles Schwab S&P 500 version, down to 25.24. Go get some FLO. That's Flowers Food, $18.03. UPS got down to $1.12. UPS. And what other one was it? And that's it. The other ones I do have in this portfolio here. So let's roll out, man. Get us some weekly and monthly dividends. Let's start with SPYT. Buy fractional shares a day, $3 to $5 worth. That's it. Get through the trade. This pays 33 cents a share a month, down at 17.62. This one here is less volatile. Does options on the S&P 500. Going to get some of that. SPYT. YMAG. Remember, these pay out weekly. The best date to buy these, the ones paid out weekly, is on a Friday, because they got the dividend going out today. YMAG was red, now it's green, but we here, so let's go in and get us some of that. We're gonna go YMAX. Get these weekly dividend payers. They back green. Just fine, still in buy range though, since we're here. As long as it's below your average cost. QDTE. Yep, right now it's just accumulation, man, till things turn around. Let's hope we don't get nothing about no war or something else to tank the market, which is good though. It could be your time to buy these stocks cheap, man. That's XDTE. $3 worth of that. QQQY. IWMY. It's another one, pays out weekly. Get $10 worth of that one. I like this one. Definitely kicks out dividends. Let me see, IWMY. Just go on down the list. Gonna go TCPC, pays out quarterly. This one definitely paid in trading this 52-week low, 767 at 774, 17.5% dividend yield. Get some of that. All right, that was TCPC. We're gonna go XYLD. MSTY. I got me 100 shares in my Weaver portfolio. Gonna let that just chill. Let's get to 20 and under. I buy some more. I'm just buying this portfolio here. Fractional shares. OXXSQ. 3.5 cents a share a month. 258. Go ahead and got MetaFast right by it on my list. Knock this out. So I don't forget about it. $5 worth for that. Swing trade. Y'all don't, this is this does not pay a dividend, so y'all stay out of this one. Unless you want to swing trade, but do your homework on the company first. MetaFast is like a weight loss company. You can go down to the profile and check it out. Or go to yahoofinance.com. You can download the app too. And you can go to the profile and do your homework. See whether that's something you want to get into. All right, we're going to go USOI. Options covered calls on oil. Pays out monthly. I like this 65 and under. Ride this on up. Get some QYLD. Like this at 17 and under. Hoping this pull on back some more. I need to load up on this one. Gonna get RYLD. I need this to go back at 15 even. $14.99. All right, y'all, at RYLD. Go with Viatris. I'm going with Carver State Bank for a swing trade. Go in and swing trade this. After all these interest rates get cut, get on out of this one. Just need to lower my average cost right now while I got the chance. Let everything rip. Make me a nice profit. You know, $1.37. CHPT gonna be another one. Charge point. 63 cents. Accumulate 9. Probably gonna hold this to 2027. Imagine how many shares I probably had by then. What I like to do is pair these with them weekly pairs or the monthly pairs, or high yielder. So these don't pay a dividend. One getting beat up, another REIT. They in danger of doing a reverse stock split, OPI. 44 cents. This got down to. It's another one I'm a swing trade. Especially when it get above the dollar mark. At 44 cents, I'm gonna get 100 shares of this. Be a lot to buy at one time. SCHD 2762. Got to gobble some of this up. So buy and hold. Forever stock. Let's go to SCHG. That's the large cap one, 25.24. This was at $2 worth since it's back green. I got this in two portfolios. I'm gonna go HPP, another REIT. REIT's just getting beat up, man. Bad, 283. Get a share of this. Like I say, lower my average cost. Sell this above the $3 mark. Collect a little dividend while you hold it. Alright. The HPP, OPI. Y'all get this other one. OXLC, 9 cents a share a month. Put your buy orders in at 442. Y'all see me doing videos on this and giving y'all this play. OXLC, $4.42. Think right now it's trading at like $4.58 on its way back up above the $5 mark. So OXLC. We're gonna go with Nike. Nike looked like they had good earnings, but it's down. So definitely got to pick up some of this. $20 worth of Nike at that price. Got down to 65.17. Got this in two portfolios too. And once I clean these portfolios up, I had some trust in Nike, man. I had them in two portfolios, but now you got a lot of competition now in that apparel market in general. That's why I'm getting up out of it. Nike gonna be around and probably gonna do some wonderful things, but I'm gonna put my money somewhere else. You know, Nike is a way for you to grow your money. I like Skechers better. I was gonna buy some Skechers stock, but I said, nah, stick to your rules. Stay out that apparel. TELUS at $14.93. This is a Canadian communications company. 7.62% yield, 52-week high, 17.26 with a low of 13.24. $20 worth at this price. Got TELUS, Nike, RCTU. Another one that gave y'all a ticker MU, Micron Technology, semiconductor company. Dealing with AI, them chips. Y'all get that there. And that's everything. What else I got on the list? I got Polaris, which is the ATV or the ATV, do the 4-wheelers and all that. They also got a good dividend yield if y'all want to get into that. Put it in at $41.02. Polaris, Polaris. Let's go see what's left out here. So we ain't miss over nothing. Nice little couple dollars spent today. I like Horizon, but I want that around the $9 mark. Now I need to come down some more. Need to check PFLT. Newtek's another one. Take 12.34. What's the 52-week low now? 10.30. I want this around $11. That can go past. I could be in. I'd be well. Forgot Robinhood got their new version of the how they do your average cost now, so it's actually wrong. I wish they'd have left it the same. 52-week high is 1549. P ratios are 6.3, so definitely this is something you need to go in and get a couple. App tripping. All right, back at NewTek 1. I had to close the app down to get back into it. $3 worth there. Got HPP, OPI. Ready Capital. Yep, Accumulate Land. LAND. Got to get that one. Especially at these prices here. Lionel and Basel. This one getting like 8 up. Okay, they're gonna take advantage of this then. LYB, Lionel Basel. So if you're trying to bring out your calls, why am I buying this? It's a buy and hold stock. Dividend yield 7.15%. Nice yield, 52-week high 107.02 with a low of $70.76. P ratio 17. Let's see if this come down. I'm definitely buying this for that juicy 7% yield. It's a buy and hold stock. BKH. All right, Angles. It's another one I'm gonna get out of. Got to buy the dip though. Y'all stay out of that one unless you want to get into a grocery company. And if you do, I will go with a Walmart or Kroger's before these guys. This is a small one. They all in the North Carolina mountains and stuff. Think some in Atlanta, I think my mama said, but never seen them there. I know the Carolina mountains, I see them. And they all kind of high. Got prices like Publix. All right. We're going to go to Earn. Check out Earn. Just pay 8 cents a share a month. $5.75. That was at $5.72. Get one share of this. I've traded this one so many times. I like to swing trade it, buy it at the $6 and under mark, and swing trade it above the $7, and collect that juicy dividend yield, that 8 cents a share, while I just holding it till it happen. Yep. So that's it, y'all. 20-minute trade. Good buys. Y'all enjoy your weekend. Spend some time with your loved one, family, and friends. Stay safe. Stay alive. Signing off, man. Go get your money.